My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, we were trying to analyze what does these values mean to us at the individual level, and how these values can become a driver that we will perform effectively wherever we'll be working on a daily basis, weekly basis or monthly basis. अच्छा, फिर ये वैल्यूज जिसका ताल्लुक मुझसे और आपसे, हम में से हर शख्स से है, these will be different. Its importance, its worth, its applicability and its utility is going to be different for each one of us, male and female. We have a list of values, probably different for all of us. ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपने फिल किया, इससे जो कुछ आपने लर्न किया, व्हाट डू यू वैल्यू, यही इंस्ट्रूमेंट था ना. एंड आई एम श्योर कि वो जो कम से कम 8 वैल्यूज जो उस लिस्ट में मौजूद हैं, याद है कौन सी? फाइनेंशियल, फैमिली, सोशल, इंटेलेक्चुअल, प्रोफेशनल, और आपने खुद ही उनके आंसर दिए. एंड आई एम श्योर बाय लुकिंग एट द टोटल, नाउ यू नो which value is more important to you. And if a value whose score is telling you that somehow at this point in time you are coming up with the result that it's not valuable to you, but you think now, no, it's very valuable to me in the next 6 months, 1 year, maybe 5 years. So what should I do then? Well, remember I said, once you know, knowing first is prerequisite. But once you know that this skill is needed, management skill है ना, this skill is needed, ये competency मुझे develop करनी है, then come up with the improvement plan. See which area is weak. How can you improve it? How can you score higher in that skill set so that you can be satisfied? You can take that value as a worthwhile value for you, which can give you strength, which can develop your personal system, which can help you to develop a self-concept of yours that you would look courageous, strong physically and intellectually and professionally. And your walk will be making the talk. यही इस मैनेजमेंट स्किल के डेवलप करने का ऑब्जेक्टिव है और पर्पस है. अच्छा, फाइनेंशियल वैल्यू हम में से कोई शख्स इसको डिनाई नहीं करेगा. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यस, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू शेयर, वी आर ट्राइंग टू लर्न that what are the other values which may be important in our life. And once we know that these are important, we will come up with the improvement plan. मैं अभी कल एक रिसर्च आर्टिकल पढ़ रहा था. A researcher at the Cornell University, one of the leading university, he developed a hypothesis. इसी तरह से रिसर्च की जाती है. Looking at the literature, you come up a theory, come up with a hypothesis or maybe a proposition, and then try to find the answer from your respondents. So Cornell student में इस Cornell students के respondents को use करते हुए Cornell University के अंदर ये रिसर्च जो हुई, he was trying to find out what is the relationship of the management skills with the income of the respondent. बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था. हम तो यहां शेयर कर रहे हैं ना फाइनेंशियल वैल्यू. फाइनेंशियल वैल्यू एंड इनकम probably one of the same thing. And the result of written in that research paper proved that yes, once you improve your management skill, it has a direct relationship on your income. अच्छा, और फिर हमने जो एक मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स की लिस्ट आपको दी हुई है, उसमें से तो अभी हम पहली स्किल की बात कर रहे हैं, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। और सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के अंदर भी फिर ये वैल्यूज जिसका इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपने यूज किया टू लर्न at your individual level which value is important to you. And now I would like to share with you why it is important. जो भी लिस्ट है आपकी, and I'm sure it will be different. आप में से जो स्टूडेंट इस वक्त क्लास में बैठे हुए हैं, आप शेयर कीजिए, आपस में डिस्कस कीजिए और देखिए, कंपेयर कीजिए अपनी लिस्ट को. You will be surprised that each one of you will have a different level of worthwhileness to that particular value. तो आप में से हर शख्स जो आपस में डिस्कस करे तो आपको ये नजर आएगा कि ये लिस्ट आपके लिए डिफरेंट है. अब मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूं कि जो लिस्ट भी आपके पास मौजूद है, ये तो देखिए लिस्ट 8 वैल्यूज की थी. अभी मैं इन वैल्यूज को डिवाइड करता हूं जो इस किताब के अंदर प्रोफेसर डेविड एंड वीटन ने इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यूज और टर्मिनल वैल्यूज की एक लिस्ट आपको दी, वो भी मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूं. आपने शायद इससे पहले टर्मिनल वैल्यूज और इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यूज के बारे में पढ़ा हो, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं ये चीज आपसे शेयर करूं कि रीडिंग अनदर रिसर्च आर्टिकल आई फाउंड आउट दैट इन 21st century, yes, financial value is important, but in 21st century the knowledge workers, managers, people like you, graduates of the universities, what are the values which are important to them? How do they get motivated? Remember needs theory of motivation? आपने पढ़ी होगी. How the managers, employees can get motivated. फिर उसमें आपने मैस्लो की हायरार्की ऑफ नीड्स भी पढ़ा होगा, मैग्लेगर की थ्योरी पढ़ी हो, मैग्रेगर की थ्योरी पढ़ी होगी. वो सारी थ्योरीज आप पढ़ाए हैं. गोल सेटिंग थ्योरी भी आपने पढ़ी होगी. But here it is, findings how to motivate knowledge workers. And please remember the name AMP. 3 more important values. AMP. A stands for autonomy. I like to give autonomy a value. How in the office, at the home, in the market, I am empowered to make my decisions. I like it very much. And if an organization can provide us autonomy in doing our work, इसको आप empowerment भी कहते हैं, the productivity goes up, effectiveness goes up. M, mastery. How can I become master of my own? इसी चीज को प्रोफेसर पीटर सेंजे ने लर्निंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कॉन्सेप्ट में कहा था, पर्सनल मास्टरी. An organization, a supplier, a manufacturer, which can make its customers master of using that product and service. और फिर मैं रिमाइंड कराऊंगा आपको वो स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के फोन्स एंड पैड्स एंड पॉड्स कि जिसने बिल्कुल एक नई डायरेक्शन दी कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स को. Please experience the product first. Experiential marketing. Experience it. Touch it. Move it. Remove it. And see how it works. A completely new way of using the phones and the pads and the pods. Experiential. That's what we're talking here, that how and what kind of experience we get that we become master of our own. And AMP में जो तीसरी P है, very interesting. Purpose. Am I working for an organization which is a purposeful organization? It stands, organization, it stands for certain values. And so am I. I am a purposeful manager. I have certain purpose for my profession. I have certain purpose for my life. I have certain purpose for my family. I have certain purpose to serve my community. purpose. In other words, purpose has become a value for the 21st century managers, people like you and me. Those who are living and who are working in a technology-full environment, network environment, and these social networks in which you share your thoughts, you share your ideas, you share even your values. तो देखिए ये social networking भी एक value बन गई. And think of it, how many network sites are available to you and how much information you get from your friends and family and those who are in your network, so that you can live a purposeful life. You can enjoy your day serving a certain purpose. तो ये values self awareness के perspective में, ये values वो list of drivers हैं. अच्छा, फिर हम अभी देखने लगे हैं कि वो कौन से ड्राइवर हैं जिनको आप कहेंगे इंस्ट्रूमेंटल हैं वो, और वो कौन से ड्राइवर्स हैं जिनको आप कहेंगे टर्मिनल वैल्यूज हैं. बट व्हाटएवर these drivers are, they're very important because they drive you. Exactly उसी तरह से कि जिस तरह अब ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लैपटॉप में और कंप्यूटर्स में और पीसीज में many drivers, and without that driver you cannot play media. Without that driver you cannot browse the net. Exactly the same way these values are drivers for you and for me. Without them we will miss certain things. हमने कहा था ना community value. Without them, how could you develop a mindset of being a socially responsible community? And you see all these ads coming up in the newspaper, how companies are advertising how socially responsible we become by serving them, by coming up with schools, by opening eye clinics, by coming up with hospitals, by looking, even providing them clean water, providing them filter for water. See how the value is being added? Community value. तो आपको फिर ये लर्न करना है, ये चॉइस आपके लिए है, लर्न करना है कि वैल्यू की लिस्ट में से कौन सी आपके लिए इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यूज होंगी और कौन सी आपके लिए टर्मिनल वैल्यूज होंगी. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? वेल, द डिफरेंस इज इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यूज आर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. जैसे हम ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हैं ना, कि इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट से आप मेजर करते हैं बाय आंसरिंग दोज स्टेटमेंट्स एंड क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर ओन, और फिर उसको एनालाइज करते हैं. Instrument is a way to measure where I stand. How can I go higher in the ladder? So instrumental values, they are desirable standards or conducts which are required to achieve a desired end. और terminal values वो desirable ends हैं. यानी terminal values वो desirable ends हैं, goals हैं, purposes हैं जो आप achieve करना चाहते हैं. And to achieve those terminal values, there are certain values which are being called here instrumental. You use them as a standard, you use them as a conduct, you use them as a protocol, so you can achieve those terminal values. Let me share with you from the same book. अच्छा, ये book आपने नेट पर देखी, ये available है for free. You can download it. Of course, virtual university के इस कोर्स के कंटेंट में तो आपको सेशन टू सेशन रिलेटेड मटेरियल तो मिलेगा ही, लेकिन ये सारी बुक देखिए, ये नेटवर्क का जमाना है. फाइंड आउट वेयर दिस बुक इज एंड देन दिस बुक is having different editions. For example, North American edition, Canadian edition, Asian edition. And this book right in front of me is Asia Pacific edition. It's being used in Australia and New Zealand and Singapore and Hong Kong universities. But of course, much of the content is same. But naturally, when cultural dependency comes, when the language dependency comes, when the diversity issue comes, cases are different, examples are different. And we will see even the list of the values becomes in priority different when you go from one culture, one continent to another continent. Even it will change from one organization to another organization, from one firm to another firm. Even it will be different between manufacturing and services. So speaking of the instrumental values and terminal values, please differentiate. Instrumental, which can help a value, which can help you to achieve your terminal value, which is important to you. और जब हम सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट की बात कर रहे थे शायद पिछले सेशन में, तो हमने ये कहा था कि values are important, but so are your personal goals. So terminal values will be your personal goals, which you want to achieve. Your personal purpose, where you want to reach. And to reach there, what tools can you use are those which we call instrumental values. Let me read the list from the book, and you will see this list in the chapter on self-awareness. For example, terminal values are a prosperous life, an exciting life, a sense of accomplishment, that is also a terminal value, a word at peace, a word of beauty, equality, family security, freedom. Now, if freedom is your terminal value, then of course you can think of it, okay, what could be your instrumental values to achieve the freedom? Happiness. Happiness is a terminal value. No, some people will get happy by being healthy. Some people will become happy by getting more money. Some people will become happy by serving their family, their parents, serving their mother. Some people will become happy to serve their country. See, happiness is terminal value. अब उसके लिए इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यू क्या होगी? आपके लिए डिफरेंट होगी, मेरे लिए डिफरेंट होगी, मेल के लिए डिफरेंट होगी, अच्छा कॉमन भी हो सकती है. But see the difference now? Being happy is a terminal value. What instrumental value you will use to achieve that end will be different. Inner harmony, mature love, national security, pleasure, self-respect. Now, how do you want to achieve self-respect? Well, maybe then instrumental value will be respect others. Simple formula. So instrumental value is a standard and conduct. For self-respect, the tool, the protocol, the conduct, and the standard will be you respect others. Social recognition, true friendship. Now, you want to like to see close companionship, true friendship, faithful friendship. Well, be faithful to others. Be a trustworthy person to your friends. And then, speaking of the true friendship, the word true is telling us, especially when we look in our own model. Remember, Prophet Muhammad was known, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad was known in his city by a value. He was known as Sadiq, trustworthy. His friends were calling him Sadiq. You can depend on him. Whatever he will speak truth. Whatever he will advise truth. Whatever he will guide truth. Whatever he will show truth. Sadiq. और दूसरी वैल्यू क्या थी जो कम्युनिटी ने, आपके दोस्तों ने आपको कहना शुरू किया, नाम तो नहीं था, अमीन. तो बज़ाहिर कुछ लोगों के नजदीक ट्रुथफुल होना टर्मिनल वैल्यू नहीं होगा. डिफरेंट. अभी हम जब सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के अंदर उसके अगले कंपोनेंट पे आएंगे, तो देन वी विल सी पीपल आर डिफरेंट. You will not find that trustworthiness and truthfulness will be a value for certain people. People are different. Now, you don't have to be angry with them. You don't have to be irritated from them. Just, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, just know people are different. Their value is different. Yours is different. So if someone you come across, maybe your boss, maybe your colleague, maybe your brother, maybe your sister, is not as trustworthy as you are, learn how to live with them. This is a word full of people with different values. All right? Wisdom. My goodness, wisdom. And in 21st century, Japanese are already talking about wisdom management. Not knowledge management. They have gone one step higher. अच्छा, wisdom की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, देहातों की, गांव की wisdom, कल्चर की wisdom, क्या इसमें कोई इंपॉर्टेंस है? लोक वर्षा, लोक दानिश, वो जो गांव की विजडम है, क्या उसमें से कुछ लर्न किया जा सकता है शहर के लोगों के लिए? थिंक ऑफ द पीसफुलनेस, थिंक ऑफ द ग्रीनरी, थिंक ऑफ द सिंप्लिसिटी, थिंक ऑफ द लेस नंबर ऑफ नीड्स, थिंक ऑफ द एटीट्यूड ऑफ अबंडेंस. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, जो पका है दूसरे घर में दे दो. कोई बात नहीं, जो मेरे खेत में नहीं है तुम साथ वाले खेत से ले लो. अभी भी विजडम, शेयरिंग, सिंप्लिसिटी आपको शायद देहातों में ज्यादा मिले एज कंपेयर टू द सिटीज. वी आर नॉट सेइंग गुड और बैड, लेस और मोर. वी आर नॉट सेइंग which one is better for you. No, all what we are learning, these values, अब हम ये कहेंगे कि these, for example, wisdom, खास तौर पर village wisdom. Village wisdom you will find, of course, more in villages. आप में से कोई कह सकता है तो फिर urban wisdom भी तो है ना जी. बिल्कुल है. Urban wisdom is you have to be up to the mark. You know what the hell you're doing. You should be fast. You should be technology savvy. You should know how to deal and how to wheel. You should know how to move around and move around fast. देखिए ना, गांव में तो मगरिब हुई शाम हो गई. शहर में मगरिब हुई तो एक नई रात शुरू हो गई, एक नई दुनिया शुरू हो गई. तो किसी को रात की रंगीनी पसंद है, किसी को दिन का उजाला पसंद है. Some will like to work better at night. आप में से जो कंप्यूटर साइंस के स्टूडेंट हैं, उनकी लॉजिक, उनकी एल्गोरिथम, उनका कोड रात को ज्यादा बेहतर प्रोसेस होता है एज कंपेयर टू डे. प्लीज टेल मी. So we're not saying nothing is universal. All what we are saying is whatever is your terminal value, find what will be the instrumental value to achieve your end. Because learning this value, all it's telling us that it's important for us. It is a component of our knowledge about ourselves. It helps to understand our own concept. It's helpful to understand what gives us strength, what gives us kinetic energy. So this value, for example, wisdom or happiness, will give you a kinetic energy. It will move on, it will help you to move on faster in the office, more productive, more profitable. Efficiency will be better because you will be a happy person. तो आइए फिर मैं इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यूज की लिस्ट पढ़ दूं. जब मैं इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यूज की लिस्ट को देख रहा हूं इस किताब के मुताबिक, एंड ऑफ कोर्स you can look at other books, you will find maybe a different list, or maybe you can come up with a list of your own. That's perfectly all right. All what we are learning here is, number one, you must have some terminal values for your life, for your profession. And then, what are the instrumental values which you can use to achieve that? यहाँ जो list दी है instrumental values की, number one, ambitious, hardworking, broad-minded, open-minded, capable, competent, effective. Instrumental value. cheerful, joyful, clean, neat, tidy. कुछ प्रोफेसरों के ऑफिस में जाकर देखें तो आपको अंदाजा होगा कि टाइडीनेस की क्या वैल्यू है. कुछ मैनेजर्स के ऑफिस में जाकर देखें क्या आया उनकी टेबल क्लीन है या उनकी टेबल के ऊपर फाइलें ही फाइलें. Go to the public sector and private sector, you will see the difference of tidiness. Generally, आपको नजर आएगा कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर में, सर्विस सेक्टर में ज्यादा टाइडीनेस होगी एज कंपेयर टू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. Courageous, standing up for your beliefs, courageous, forgiving, helpful, honest, imaginative, creative, independent. अभी मैंने autonomy की बात की थी ना, independent. So autonomy and independent, this is an instrumental value that you will become creative. You will be more happy. You will be retained in that office by yourself. Turnover rate will be low. Intellectual. अच्छा देखिए intellectual ये तो एक वो वैल्यू भी थी जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपने यूज किया. Logical, rational, loving, affectionate, obedient, beautiful, respectful, polite. Now, polite is instrumental value in this case. If you are polite, think of it. जब हम इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस की बात करेंगे तो वहां पर भी ये आप देखिएगा कि हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर रिलेशनशिप. बीइंग पोलाइट इज अ सोशल स्किल. ये सारी आपकी कस्टमर रिलेशनिंग, CRM. The person who is more polite with other colleagues, with other customers, with other colleagues around you, with other peers, responsible, dependable, reliable, self-controlled, self-disciplined. So my dear students, see list of instrumental values which can help you to achieve your desired ends, terminal values. But take these values as if they are drivers for you. And these drivers could be dozens and hundreds. And as you go higher in the ladder, as you move up through your experience, you will see list of values keeps on increasing and list of values keeps on changing. कुछ टीनेजर आप थे तो कुछ वैल्यूज इंपॉर्टेंट थी. जैसे ही आप 20s और 30s में आए कुछ नई वैल्यूज भी आई और कुछ वैल्यूज चेंज हो गई. Nothing is wrong. This shows that you are adaptable. And of course, as you go on in your life, in your profession, you become mature, you become more wise. That brings me to another point, which is a very important point in days and months and years to come. Making ethical decisions, is it valuable to you? Making ethical decisions about the product design, about the product delivery, about serving the customers, about serving the markets, ethical decisions. आप कहेंगे ये ethics कहां से आ गई business में? In the months and years to come, my dear students, this is a study by the American Management Association. You will see we need people, markets need those managers, and they will be promoted faster who are more ethical. अच्छा फिर ethical तो हम कहते हैं सारे ही हैं. Well, we will see how the ethics changes from person to person. And making ethical decision, you will see that some managers will take it as a value. He is an ethically oriented manager. He is honest with himself. He is honest with his company. He is honest with the customers. He is honest with the market. He is honest with the product. Acha, honesty is a behavior. Skill is an action. Something which you do. Honesty is a behavior. and so is corruption. ये भी मैं एक रिसर्च आर्टिकल पढ़ रहा था और फिर उसकी रिसर्च आर्टिकल की प्रेजेंटेशन मेरे एक एमफिल के स्टूडेंट ने दी क्लास के अंदर कि to present an honest behavior you don't need any justification. To present an honest action you don't need any rationalization. To become dishonest, मैं अभी corrupt behavior नहीं कह रहा. To become dishonest, you need rationalization. You need justification. Sometimes justification by interpreting the law. Sometimes rationalization by convincing yourself. ठीक है, it's all right. रात के 2 बजे हैं, रेड लाइट है, कोई नहीं देख रहा है. It's fine to cross the light. Rationalization. ये rationalization है जिसकी बेस पर ethics change होती रहती है. That's why talking of values, my dear students, it's very important that we should also keep in mind that most managers feel they are under pressure now to compromise the standards to meet the company goals. That's true. May it be in accounting, may it be in tax filing, may it be in pricing, may it be in hoarding and stocking. मैं उस सब तफसील में नहीं जाना चाहता. You're all business students. Some of you will be business managers already working. Study is that managers feel pressure by the boss, sometime by the customer, sometime by the shareholder. Change the numbers, manipulate the books, have 2 or 3 different type of books. Most managers feel they are under pressure to compromise the standards to meet the company goals. और इस मौके पे मुझे वो खातून याद आ रही है फ्रांस की, wife of a minister who became a witness in the court that, few years ago, I saw my husband coming home in the evening, briefcase full of dollars. And I was asking him, where are you getting these dollars from? And he said, well, I'm working on a project in Switzerland. So, project is very successful. And these dollars are coming from that project. The wife says in the court in France, I was suspicious. And now I know from where these dollars are coming. So you see, this pressure, yes, it's there. But the question is, to meet company goals, do you have to sacrifice your personal goals? Remember, personal goal gives you your self-concept. वो पढ़ा था ना हमने, personal system? Your personal goals gives you your self. So you want to hurt, you want to damage, you want to sacrifice, you want to break your own self-concept to achieve the goals of the company? Well, think about it. I'll share with you certain examples where the managers, MBAs from Harvard, MBAs from the leading schools. That is what all this financial recession, which happened a few years ago, was the outcome of that unethical decisions made by the managers. They never thought that ethics is also a value to be taken. May it be an instrumental value or a terminal value. मैं तो ये कहूँगा terminal value. हम morality की बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम तो ethics की बात कर रहे हैं. हम religion की भी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Whatever religion you may belong to. All what we are talking is ethics. And I'll share with you in a minute that what are then tools you can use? What are those tests which you can use to see how ethical you are behaving? Remember, ethics and ethical decision making is a behavior. Honesty is a behavior. Corruption is a behavior. Dishonesty is a behavior. And you will have reason to do that. Companies have reason to do that. Let's not forget. Let's not forget. Remember we said 3 new values have come up in 21st century. कौन सी थी वो? अभी जो मैंने आपसे शेयर की चंद मिनट पहले. 3 new values. AMP. आप में से जो बायोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड के स्टूडेंट होंगे वो जरा जाकर देखें AMP से क्या बनता है. But we are now sitting in the business course, understanding the management skills. The P was for purpose. To serve the purpose of the company, are you damaging your own purpose of the life, purpose of the career, purpose of the profession? Medical doctor के प्रोफेशन की एथिक्स है, उसको ये ओथ लेना पड़ता है कि whether a friend will come as a patient or an enemy will come as a patient, he or she will treat him fairly. Ethics. So to serve the company purpose, if I'm not serving my own purpose, and purpose has become a value, well, my dear students, think about it. The conflict between maximizing the economic performance. ये conflict क्यों है? ये conflict इसीलिए है कि there is a conflict between maximizing the economic performance, which is a value for the company, which is a value for the shareholder, which is a value for the stockholder, right? And the social performance. That is the dilemma. You have to face this dilemma. It's every day. Economic performance and social performance. Apparently, it looks that if the social performance will go up, economic performance will go down. Well, not really. Think of the model. Think of the values which come to your mind. How would you like to take about it? And how the ethical decisions, it reminds me of that company. Once again, you will find companies in Pakistan as well and around the world. But this is a company whose products are sold in Pakistan. It's a multinational company. In some parts of the world, they are selling painkiller. And when they realize in one city of the whole country, the painkiller was contaminated by certain other drugs. CEO of the company came on the television and withdraw all the painkiller bottles from all over the country. Millions of dollars of loss. And he said, I'm sorry, I take the responsibility. Well, for the next 6 months or 1 year, the economic performance of that company went down. But think of what perception was developed in the minds of the consumers. Within 2-3 years, they recovered their loss of perception, loss of reputation, loss of respect in the eyes of their consumers. They made up the loss. So being socially responsible, improving your social performance, social skill. इसलिए हम कहते हैं ना, अच्छा मैं नहीं कहता हूं, ये प्रूव हो गया आप. Having high IQ will not take you higher in your career. Having high IQ alone will not take you higher in the ladder. It must be higher EQ. Or EQ is nothing more than self-management and social management. और self-management इस वक्त जब हम पढ़ रहे हैं तो साथ साथ social management भी आ रही है. How do you deal with your relationships professionally? So this conflict will always be there. But the question is, how are you going to deal with it and which one is more valuable to you? Would you like to keep a balance? जैसे बाजुकात हम बात करते हैं वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की. Are you workaholic? You work from 8 o'clock until 10 p.m.? Well, I'm sorry. It's not balanced. Have it work-life balance. Because otherwise, your family value, your parents, your wife, your children, they're being hurt. You are losing some values. Talking of unethical decisions, अच्छा unethical decisions कौन करता है? Well, managers, people with MBAs. Regardless, और अब ये तो प्रूव हो गया कि जब हम Enron की बात करते हैं, a well-known case in the world. CEO was MBA. CFO was MBA. COO was MBA. और एक सेक्रेटरी थी जिसने विसल बजाई. Remember whistle blowing? मैनेजमेंट में whistle blowing किसको कहते हैं? Some decision which you see is not good for the consumer, is not good for the society. And now there is a conflict. कंपनी कहती है ज्यादा प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. आप ये सोच रहे हैं, you are a young officer. Maybe you just joined a year ago, but you have your own ethical values, and you think, no, this is not good for the consumers, and you like to blow the whistle, make your voice heard. मुश्किल होता है, I know, but find your way out. In this case, Enron is a very well-known case that the managers, especially the top managers, they were not making the decisions ethical. They were cheating their customers. They were cheating their investors. अच्छा, अब आप कहेंगे चीटिंग जो है वो भी वैल्यू है. हाँ, कुछ लोगों के नजदीक चीटिंग वैल्यू होती है, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यू होती है. उस चीटिंग के जरिए से इंस्ट्रूमेंटल वैल्यू हुई ना. चीट अदर्स सो यू अचीव योर ऑब्जेक्टिव. बल्कि बाजुका तो लोग चीट करने के लिए कसम भी खाते हैं. These are tools. अच्छा, हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं गलत और सही. You make your own decision. I am nobody to give you a judgment. You make your judgment. Foreclosures. My goodness, hundreds and thousands of people, they were ripped off. उनकी जेबों से, उनकी पर्स से हजारों और मिलियंस डॉलर्स निकाल लिए इन्वेस्टिंग कंपनियों ने, फाइनेंशियल कंपनियों ने, इंश्योरेंस कंपनियों ने, बैंक्स ने. और फोरक्लोजर के लफ्ज की तफसील देखिए. वो कंपनी आती थी और उनके घर पर फोरक्लोजर का बोर्ड लगा देती थी. जिसने 32 साल का, 30 साल का, 15 साल का रेंट पे किया हुआ है, लीज पे की हुई है, hundreds and thousands of dollars पे किए हुए हैं, gone to zero. Somehow they're out of job, they could not pay. अच्छा, लीगली आप कहेंगे जी ठीक है, वो तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा हुआ था, आप इंस्टॉलमेंट नहीं पे करेंगे, आपका मकान, जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं, कुर्की कर लिया जाएगा. Well, yes, that's law. But let us move beyond the law. Let's bring in the ethics in the law. That's why, please acknowledge, investigate, elaborate, and explore why the Islamic finance and Islamic banking is becoming a viable. मैंने लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया है, viable. इसमें कोई ये नहीं कि वो बैंक्स जो मल्टीनेशनल हैं वो कोई इस्लाम को बहुत अच्छा समझने लगे. No, that's not the question. Question is, way of leasing through the Islamic financing has become a viable product in the banking sector. और वहां आपको नजर आएगा कि फोरक्लोजर नहीं होगा. नंबर 1, चीटिंग की बेस पर लोन नहीं दिया जाएगा. लोन ऑफिसर नोज दिस पर्सन विल नॉट बी एबल टू पे. देखिए ना, उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने पॉलिसी चेंज कर दी कि 0% डाउन पेमेंट पर, 0% डाउन पेमेंट पर आप मकान खरीद लीजिए. लोगों ने तो धड़ाधड़ मकान खरीद लिए. विदाउट रियलाइजिंग वुड दे बी एबल टू पे बैक द इंस्टॉलमेंट. तो चीट सबसे पहले किसने किया? जिसने 0% की पॉलिसी बनाई. दे न्यू इन एडवांस, मैं यही कहूंगा, they knew in advance by giving this loan for 2 years, for 5 years, for 10 years, properties in the name of the bank, they will not be able to pay back the installments. And after 5 years, after 3 years, this property will be ours. It was a cheating mechanism. That's what happened. And millions of people were homeless. अच्छा, homeless होना भी चलिए छोड़िए. Millions of people की millions of dollar के वो पैसे gone. And I'm not promoting Islamic banking, but as a management student, what is the mechanism? Please explore, find out. If the asset is taken back, you will be given your amount which you paid. Ethics. इसी तरह से और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. ये जो Wall Street scenario, Occupy Wall Street, what is that? That's a revolt. The companies have become unethical. अच्छा, कंपनी देखिए चार दीवारी का नाम नहीं है. वो डेस्क और कंप्यूटर और मशीनरी का नाम नहीं है. कंपनी तो नाम है आपके और मेरे जैसे मैनेजर्स जहां पर काम कर, वो अनएथिकल काम करते हैं, वो अनएथिकल पॉलिसियां बनाते हैं, वो अनएथिकल मैनिपुलेटिव टूल्स लेकर आते हैं. दे नो इन एडवांस मॉडलिंग एंड फोरकास्टिंग. They know in advance. They know through their financial derivative calculations that how they're going to cheat and manipulate. But you know, as a manager, they think company is asking them, they're doing their job, that's fine. Let's talk of Pakistan. Look at PIA and ask them why you are selling your passengers to Emirates or to other companies. Look at Pakistan Steel. Look at Pakistan Railway. They were profitable. They were profitable ventures of Pakistan. Something has gone wrong. Some manager is not making ethical decisions. I'm sorry. Who is that? We don't have to blame. All what we are learning here is ethical decision making your value or not? If not, some loss will occur. Either that loss will be of the company, or that loss will be of the customer, or that loss will be yours. इसलिए कि जब आप unethical decision करेंगे तो आपका भी तो loss होगा. You are damaging your own self-respect. Your respect in your own eyes. Don't you think it goes down? Well, I think it does. ठीक है, आप अपने ज़मीर को सुला दीजिए. But then, at the end of the day, according to Maslow's hierarchy, when your animal need, which is money, goes higher and higher and higher and higher, you become a beast. इसलिए कि फिर एनिमल्स में तो मुख्तलिफ किस्में होती हैं ना. एक गाय है जो दूध देती है, और एक चीता है जो फाड़ देता है. भेड़िया है, खा जाता है. And when human becomes beast, I'm sorry, then they will cheat and manipulate and pull everything from the market. Many examples are there. And it all depends, how are you going to save yourself? Well, here are certain standards which can help you and me. पहला टेस्ट कर ली. जब कोई फैसला करने लगे, टेस्ट कीजिए. पहला टेस्ट है फ्रंट पेज टेस्ट. ये टेस्टों की लिस्ट दी हुई है, मैंने इसी किताब से ली है. And these tests not only for Pakistan, not only for Muslims, all over the world, wherever the managers, the humans are working. Front page test. ये जो फैसला आप कर रहे हैं, अगर कल को अखबारों में लीड स्टोरी की सूरत में सामने आ जाए फ्रंट पेज पर, आपको शर्म तो नहीं आएगी? अगर शर्म आएगी तो मत कीजिए. फ्रंट पेज टेस्ट. गोल्डन रूल टेस्ट. Do to others which you want others should do to you. If you want people should cheat you, okay, fine, go ahead, cheat them. Golden rule. Equal treatment test. तो नई बात नहीं है. आका दो जहां सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, अपने से नीचे वाले को भी उसी तरह से ट्रीट करो जैसे तुम ऊपर वाले को ट्रीट करो. मुश्किल है, मुश्किल है, I know. Equal treatment test. You want to be treated equally, fairly? Well, treat them fairly. Personal gain test. आप चाहते हैं ना कि आपको पर्सनल गेन हो, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात है। उससे किसी को पर्सनल लॉस तो नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए कि अगर उसको लॉस हो रहा है तो वो लॉस जब आपको हो, वुड यू बी हर्ट? पर्सनल गेन टेस्ट। तो अपने डिसीजन को देखिए, एज ए मैनेजर यू हैव टू मेक डिसीजन, और अपनी वैल्यूज की बेस पर आप डिसीजन करेंगे, लेकिन इनमें से कोई एक दो टेस्ट तो कर लीजिए ना, सो यू विल नो योर सेल्फ हाउ एथिकल यू आर। प्रोसीजरल जस्टिस टेस्ट, procedural justice. You want that you should be treated fairly? Well, use the procedure of fairness. Cost benefit test. देखिए लिस्ट है टेस्ट्स की, ये टेस्ट आपको खुद ही करना है अपने आप से। What are the benefits to you and to your company? And what is the cost to the customer? Once again, I'll bring the Japanese. मैं क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट का कंसल्टेंट भी रहा हूं, स्टूडेंट भी रहा हूं. Once again, Japanese say, I'm sorry, we have to cut your pocket because you're buying our product. But we will cut it slowly and slowly and slowly, giving you so many benefits, you won't even realize that your pocket is being cut. Cutting is the cost. वो जेब पर, पर्स पर होती तो है मुश्किल. This is their strategy. And the last point is good night sleep test. ये फैसला करने के बाद कि आपने ये जो शिपमेंट भेजी है, ये जो स्टॉक आपने किया हुआ है, कीमत बढ़ेगी तो आप बेचेंगे, आपने अपनी रिलीजियस टीचिंग्स को भी छोड़ दिया, फाइन, गुड, इसलिए कि मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर इसकी बेस पर ओवरनाइट आप कमा लेंगे. गुड नाइट स्लीप टेस्ट ये है कि वो फैसला करने के बाद आपको रात को नींद आ जाएगी, अच्छी नींद आ जाएगी. अगर नहीं आएगी तो प्लीज मत कीजिए. अगर वो स्टोरी छपने के बाद आपका और आपके खानदान का और उन सब की रिस्पेक्ट मिट्टी में मिल जाएगी, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. अगर आप वो काम करने के बाद जेल में जाना पड़ेगा, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. So these are some of the tests which actually helps us to make a list of our values. I'm sure next time when you make a decision of your own value system, think of these tests as well and take these tests. If you pass, fine, go ahead. Take a good night's sleep. Thank you, and thank you very much.